box in the corner, labeled just in case.
Full of tangled maybes and a backup just in case.
A toaster from '09, 3 chords that don't fit, and a pair of
Someday jeans I'll never commit. I keep telling myself, hey, don't throw that away.
but it's collecting dust while I'm losing space to stay. So I ask myself, hey,
is this helping me now?
or just hanging around
Like a stubborn old cloud.
if it's not pulling weight?
If it's just taking space, I can set it free and pick up the pace. Let it go, let it breathe, let the clutter all fly. Make some room in the house and a little in my mind.
Got a drawer full of what-ifs,
A museum of fear.
every single item whispers,
You might need me, dear.
but the truth is simple.
Yeah, it's easy to see.
All this extra baggage,
Ain't doing much for me.
every just in case.
Is it not today?
And I'm tired of saving things that
Get in my way. So I ask myself, hey,
is this helping me now?
or just hanging around
Like a stubborn old cloud.
if it's not pulling weight, if it's just taking space, I can set it free and pick up the pace. Let it go, let it breathe, let the clutter all fly. Make some room in the house and a little in my mind.
Maybe someday I'll need it,
Yeah, maybe that's true,
but I'd rather have space
than a pile of what-if blues.
Take a breath, take a step,
Watch the worry unwind
turns out peace is easier.
when you're traveling light. So I ask myself, hey, is this serving me now?
If it's not, I'm letting go.
I'm done asking how.
Watch it float out the door.
Feel the weight disappear
Got more room to live.
and a whole lot less fear. Let it go, let it breathe, let the good vibes grow. Clear the space, clear the mind, ready, set, let it go.
Thanks for hanging out until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to check out the video description for more inspirational resources.